Hadian baka Sorkar jala kala menjur khatsan Klur tingka nak benta ka jing Pynbha ber jing Pynthmai ya ka Īewduh Menteri Rangba ka jalau Konrad kes sangma kakak khandai trek jemang araja arpusan ulalet ban Jurip ya ka te ka yau kom si benta ban pet ya ka jing ya chekmat ki kam bat ban khmi benya halor ki jing duna ki badang don kam ban Pynbha susu Haga dikasngi nalor Menteri Rangba ka jala lagi don lang dau ba prestun tensong ubare usembut Menteri Rangba ka jala uba pol ling do Menteri beri khmi ya ka tanat tourism ki noi lam ka hima melim nalor kiwei Habakran sikilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ka jala uloong bayamenta ka jing pentrei ya ka ni ka project bahindriu Klur ka belamang tingka na ka Sorkar jala kala ya chekmat bakentop na du ka jingsna thma ya ki lenti ya kijat nalor kiwei Ulang baya ka phase 2 jong ka ni ka project ka belamang khatsan Klur ka bakentop ya jingsna Pynbha ya kinala ka jingka atnum nalor kiwei pan kan sesedang no shen
Showers of blessing. Initial. This post is lying like this only. The engine also at the, so you'll have to do something to change this. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yeah. Very good.
This is this one also. It will not look nice. Even if the condition of football is good, but it's not
Right. All water flows.
yes. Sorry, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll do it. So in the new scheme, like in the new scheme, we should put it.
Because instead of this plastic, sir,
Yeah. We remove the plastic, then we'll paint the building also. Oh, we'll do the building also.
Yeah.
So how do they work, this one? So they
they do repairing work. They do repairing work. Some of glass, some of jacket, no. Sometimes if you put ready-made item, no, you have to come here for fitting.
So they do all the tailoring, what do you call
Yeah. Go straight. Yeah.
Very good, very scientifically done.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
The next step should be the beautification and as far as possible covering. It may not happen in one go, but we'll do everything step by step. First phase so next second phase of 15 crores is both Nala and pipeline.
Em tọt em ta được ý cái này sang ban cái có một phi đơn cản năng ni ban ban ajing mut Sorkar ban ajing mut ya isi cái có begini năng lạ susu
Like the toilets and all. Needed, no? Like toilet and also. So the first step, we'll do what? YouTube. So covering we may not be able to do immediately. We can start with temporary, but as I said, first to instead of clean out. Yeah, very difficult. And once we can, so 15 crores now is for the Nala and the pipes. These pipes and all of it. So that is the first 15 crores. But we can do additional now that we have come. Let us see how we can do additional for covering all this. Baboro sir.
Yes, sir.
Just give us an idea how we obviously sit with the Mantri and Himano, find out what is the best way. Maybe we can start in phase-wise manner, maybe a separate project, to figure out how we can do a bit of covering here. I don't know. Technically.
We have to see the even sunlight and also whether
Yeah, exactly. Just do a study. Give us options. I think we came on the right day.
Yes, yes.
We are maybe experiencing the real. Where is that? Yeah, so the new project is for this. Borosa, the new project is for this one. This Nala. This is the one, now. The new project, 15 crore. Okay. Okay. Then they will also ensure that apart from the Nala, as I said, the full. Let's come out with a better master plan.
Yes, sir. And discuss.
From included, now. Yes, sir. Included. This is the one included now. So then, so you'll be doing, so all this is part of Yeah. Bora sir, this is included, na? Yes, sir. If it is not, then it should be included because this is where. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm asking, Bora sir. This is this seeing the problem live. So it's great. We're so happy that it's rained, so we can actually see the real problem that people face.
Yes, we'll go to that. We'll condition and then we'll take up that.
Yeah.
Perfect one only, sir.
This one is already included.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. As I say, it's the main problem. Monthly sale, yeah, the main problem is here. I think once only done. Only
That side, you know that Bimala side, right? Right from that control part up to that Bimala, this is already completed.
Okay.
So this one is 270 meters. Okay. They are going to do that. Okay. Only this one.
I think it's again coordinate with urban. Yes. Otherwise, again you'll construct and again you break, again this thing. Huh? Better have a meeting. Better have a joint meeting. Yes. Oh yeah, yes, काम शायद 1-2 महीने में चालू हो जाएगा कि बारिश के टाइम में थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा काम करना, लेकिन 15 करोड़ फर्स्ट सेकेंड फेज, पहले फेज में 6 करोड़ हमें दिया है, अब ये 15 करोड़ यानी कि 21 करोड़ हो गया अभी ईएवडू के लिए, और बाकी और भी करना है हमको। हम चाहते हैं कि ये पूरा जो है मार्केट अच्छा बन जाए। सब चीज़ एक रात में नहीं होगा, समय लगेगा, लेकिन काम शुरू हो गया, ठीक है। लेकिन आप लोग का भी सहयोग चाहिए, है ना, आप लोग का सहयोग चाहिए। सभी ये सब जो हम लोग को साफ रखना है कि नहीं, इसमें आपका भी सबका साथ चाहिए होगा। We had visited Īewduh market area, and the purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement is to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts, you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired, and it has been made into stone footpath to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen. And next maybe couple of months, we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths. We will put them under duct, and then we will redo the entire footpath. We will make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project, but we realized that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Īewduh. We are very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Īewduh market area directly and indirectly. And therefore, it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we've come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Īewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the Hima and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Īewduh market.
So what?
For example, in one of the farmers market area, they have requested that they have been functioning without light for all this time, and they just wanted some lights, electricity connection to be done. So for that, we don't need special sanction or anything, so we can do those immediately. In 1 or 2 areas, they suggested that the space is too small, so they wanted an extra floor to be made. So those suggestions have been noted down. In some areas, they've suggested that the way the work is being done, they would like to see that it could be improved better. So they were requesting that if the drainage can be made on the side, because water is a big issue, so on and so forth. So there was very good interaction. Many suggestions came, as I said, but overall, as I said, we have noted down everything, and we realized that we need to make a master plan now to take things forward. So the rooftop means it's not rooftop, the cover, the roof cover along the footpaths, which is open, where we could see that most of the people were selling the vegetables, covering themselves. It was very inconvenient. So we realized that also has to be taken up, but that may not be in this phase, because we've already sanctioned 15 crores, as I said, which is mainly for the infrastructure like the nala and the footpath and ducting of the pipes. So, but third phase will take it. No, those are beautification projects that are at a very small scale. These are major infrastructural changes. These are major, like for example, the footpath and the drainage, the ducting of the pipes. These are major projects, and these need to be done at a very large scale. So they will not be new. Basically, under the normative allotment that is given to every state. So every state is supposed to put projects up. So we have put up the project of Īewduh under ABC scheme, and certain amount of that is coming to MEC, and some part state government. And in the future, for the larger structures, again, different sources will be tapped. We've always believed in that, and whether from center or from state, the objective is to get the work completed. So we will do whatever it takes in a phase-wise manner to ensure that we will go infrastructure here. So there are 2 parts. Number 1, already 6 crores work is going on. So that has already started, and you can see in different locations the footpaths have been changed, stone has been put there, and that work is continuing. The second phase, which is the close to 15 crores, about 14 plus, close to 15 crores, which we expect that we will be able to tender out very soon. And I hope that maybe in a couple of months we can start to expect some work to begin, because the rains and all, we may not be able to do it full swing. Yeah, it won't be too long. It will be very, very soon. Number three, we may not be able to expand the narrow lanes because obviously shops are there. We don't want to disturb the livelihood of the people immediately. So therefore, first thing we're doing is that we're trying to use the space in a better manner. And hence the pipes are a major concern. They're blocking the way, or they're taking up half the road or half the footpath. If the pipes go in, if proper drainage is created, the existing footpath also will be broadened and the utility will increase. So that's really what the objective is, and that's what this project is all about. And as I said, in the future, we do expect that we'll put up more better infrastructure. We will see how we can really beautify the different buildings and improve the infrastructure, and that will be part of the master plan that we have.
Menta kasih kebasu pernah tolong itu malam di chief minister dilala ya kaban wan hakan dan jaga hakan ke Īewduh yo kapa fauna tam jong ke jela jeni jong abi jong ke jeli jong barok kue kapa deiru ayo niam ke yo dikom bat kapa deiru ayo kapa abat ya dari ke justru hakan baporo di Pynbha jong ka jai ini jong ke jela jeni ya don bentang hakan ke yo. But the proposed name ni puli kam don kan penu kabangin la ban ikanat kan bit kan yang kejing putih sebab jom kan kayo. Tenrai hapok je lam jong CM. Ba penat sama minta resmi agaba ngar ye buat lang bati kunju iba kolem do iba de minister juga tourism department ila buat pengkat lem bani rengkat ru bat ipain tapi ipain ke menteri toro jom ngablen haka juga quality officers dan department bakero ke badai nadu kalian light na kalian juga na kalian so municipal na kalian jong WD dia dan dalam berkawan dengan sum kanitasi ke domta akabang layo la bun ke banyak slop banyak jumlah tu bati Pynbha macam but in one year apo kanita yoba jom kayu pada genam kemudian burung nadu kapo lebih bagi macam ke menta kasih ICM daladi layo snow layo janai mut na babon ba kinusong yo ni kinong yo kubang ni at kalau tenat tolong ba office ka banding kong yo ulo ko Sorkar kala ai dak benta ban beautify dan pendit dan pendiam ni yo nilader kita office one ka office ka ba arap ni ka Hasan Klur ha ka ba la ai sanction ka pang kita yo tidak bon ki kam ki dan sang bit pendiam la kaya kayeng kalenti kesekian kantang kejinya itu upai kubang yo i kalau kejintut ka ba di mentah kan ka office ka ba na kalian juga Sorkar Palestina akabang minsa sedang sen ya akabang pendit pendiam ni kali kayo bapak maka face kabalay din ke jingwan buli yo i ke babun ke jingdor kam maka ka kolong balik si misna ke jang rooftop da kam ta tin ke nong song yo tidam don ke jaka tidam don ke space pandek maha pendit pendiam ya kan niru nilai sulok nilai tren akaba na kalian joka hina kan kalian joka Sorkar dia Song lang kini prepare susu ya kita di walking plan bit kemudian menang banginang perjalanan susu ya kali Īewduh kabalong kayo kapapau napang jong kejelam Meghalaya baru susu menta kasih hagajinya pek ya kani kayo yo iru ya kita kiyo gelang di bakal like kamdon kambit kemudian atau sian lai ya kajing ular kemat kita tinang soryo boro bau sen yen sa install yang like hakaba hakamit kayo lene haka dum haka jing slap kabang kinyo banyo i yang jingnya kijing ade kijing tip bapit kemudian baca kadi ngin sale set hati ni kita sini kita pada kalian jong ICM bila airu kan order ka berkertang nak minta ka municipal na kadon kini ketang cium kan sakle yo ya kaba kini kipai yo i kejiya kipai di hajar teli di hajar teli dia kan ni rukan don dari alignment ka petang kindon ge bentak ke bangin penrum sapok jomana kindon ge bentak ke bangin le realignment ka bangin ra no ya kini kipai kakum ka jingbit dia ka bangin le na engineer jongka municipal board kita bentak ke sini ICM di pelut or namun kentang hakaban lesen bani keduk dat pinu song yeu song han bat ke Sorkar ka sim serius kan ya kam bana kermen sken ba kan lo di employ ya ki Pynbha ki bajuan ki baju injan ka Īewduh bat ka tu boru kan lo ke buron ka kam ya kari ya ka jai ri jong ni ba
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka shop plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.